you ever wondered why your real estate investing efforts aren't yielding the success you desire? Here are 5 common mistakes that might be holding you back from achieving greatness in the world of real estate investment. From failing to do your homework to overlooking crucial aspects like cash flow and underestimating expenses, join me, your real estate sensei, and let's delve into the critical pitfalls that could be sabotaging your success. I'll provide invaluable insights to help you navigate the real estate market with confidence and achieve your investment goals. Don't let these mistakes stand in the way of your success. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to real estate investing prosperity together. Mistake number 1, not doing your homework. Diving into real estate without doing your homework is like setting off on a journey without a map. You might stumble upon some treasures, but you're more likely to encounter unexpected obstacles along the way. Take Emily and Mark, for example. Emily did her research diligently, studying demographics, rental trends, and city planning documents. Meanwhile, Mark was more focused on superficial aspects like a nice view. Fast forward a year, Emily's property is thriving, thanks to her foresight about upcoming developments in the area. Mark, on the other hand, is struggling with unexpected challenges he didn't anticipate. To avoid falling into the same pitfalls as Mark, make sure you equip yourself with the right tools. Keep an eye on local economic indicators to gauge the health of the market. Look into property tax trends to understand the financial landscape. Consider factors like school districts, which can impact rental demand. And always stay informed about planned infrastructure projects, as they can significantly affect property values. So take a cue from Emily and do your homework before making any real estate moves. Mistake number 2, ignoring cash flow. Let's talk about the cash flow crunch, a real estate investor's nightmare. It's not just about rent covering your mortgage. You've got to consider all the other expenses too. Picture Tara's duplex. Rent is $2,500 and expenses are $1,800. Seems like a sweet deal, right? But when you factor in vacancies, repairs, and surprise costs, that cash flow can quickly dry up. Here's the kicker. Tara had it all figured out. She budgeted for those rainy days, making sure her investment stayed in the green. So, how do you avoid getting caught in the cash flow trap? Start with the 50% rule. Assume half of your rental income will vanish into thin air to cover expenses other than the mortgage. And for laser precision, tap into property management software to keep tabs on your cash flow and predict future expenses. With Tara's savvy strategy and a little help from technology, you'll be cashing in on your real estate investments like a pro in no time. Mistake number 3, underestimating expenses. Underestimating expenses is a common pitfall that can undermine even the most promising real estate investment. It's not just about the obvious repairs and maintenance costs. There are also significant capital expenditures to consider, like replacing a roof or upgrading HVAC systems. These expenses can quickly chip away at your profits if you haven't factored them into your budget. Take Zach, for example. He thought he had everything under control until city regulations blindsided him with costly electrical upgrades for his rental property. Suddenly, his profit margins took a hit, and he found himself scrambling to cover the unexpected expenses. To avoid falling into the same trap, it's crucial to plan ahead and anticipate potential expenses before they catch you off guard. Start by building up an emergency fund for each property, ideally equivalent to at least 3 months' worth of expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, allowing you to handle unexpected repairs, vacancies, or regulatory changes without dipping into your personal savings. As you expand your real estate portfolio, don't forget to scale up your emergency fund accordingly. The larger your investment portfolio grows, the more important it becomes to have sufficient reserves to handle any financial challenges that may arise. By proactively planning for potential expenses and building a robust emergency fund, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of real estate investing and safeguard your long-term profitability. Mistake number 4, over-leveraging. Now let's talk about the risky game of over-leveraging. It's like walking a tightrope between success and financial disaster. Leveraging debt can either catapult you to new heights or send you crashing down. The key here isn't to avoid debt altogether, but to handle it wisely. Take Laura's approach, for instance. She didn't shy away from using loans, but she spread them out across different lenders and made sure each property had a comfortable 30% equity cushion. This smart move protected her from sudden market swings and kept the lenders at bay. To keep your financial ship sailing smoothly, aim for a debt-to-equity ratio that balances growth with security. Diversify your sources of debt and consider locking in fixed-rate mortgages to shield yourself from unpredictable interest rate hikes. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between leveraging for growth and avoiding overexposure. By following Laura's lead and managing your debt smartly, you'll be well positioned to navigate the choppy waters of real estate investing and come out on top. Mistake number 5, skipping due diligence. Our final hurdle is the danger of skipping due diligence. It's like navigating a minefield without a map. Due diligence acts as your shield against hidden defects, legal entanglements, and potential investment disasters. Let's take Julia's experience as a cautionary tale. She almost skipped the detailed inspection to speed up her purchase. Luckily, she didn't. The inspection unearthed serious foundational issues that would have cost her a whopping $50,000. Talk about dodging a bullet. To protect yourself from similar nightmares, arm yourself with a comprehensive due diligence checklist. This checklist should include legal checks, property and environmental inspections, zoning regulations, and a thorough analysis of potential rental income and expenses. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful weapon in the world of real estate investing. By conducting thorough due diligence, you not only mitigate risks, but also pave the way for profitable investments. So, don't cut corners, invest the time and effort up front, and you'll reap the rewards in the long run. All right, real estate rockstars, you're now armed with the ultimate cheat codes to outsmart the tricky twists and turns of the real estate game. Remember these 5 golden rules. Do your homework like it's your job, because, well, it kinda is. Keep that cash flow flowing like a smooth jazz playlist. Budget for those surprise expenses like they're going out of style. Don't let debt become your arch nemesis, and never, ever skip out on due diligence. It's like swiping left on a potential disaster. Join our crew of savvy investors by smashing that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell for more pearls of wisdom. Together, let's strut down the real estate runway like we own the place. Because, hey, soon enough, we just might. Until next time, your real estate sensei is signing off with a mic drop. Invest wisely, invest boldly, and let's turn those dreams into deeds.